I'm Saladikari, registration number EG 2020 3803. So first let's this is the lab session. So for the lab session, I have to connect to the MGMT port in the SonicWall. Then I'm going to connect that one into my laptop. After then I have to put the configurations in 192.160.1.254. After then there's a port in the top that I have to connect to the SonicWall. From that turn I'm going to access it. That is 192.168.1.100. From that turn I'm going to get the administration access for the SonicWall. After that I'm going to log into the SonicWall from the localhost and put in the username and password and connect to the SonicWall localhost. Then SonicWall configuration. For that, after connecting to the SonicWall, I'm going to create the each DHCP servers for each devices for each, and put the range in the system. And for likewise lectures, students and non-academic, and likewise I'm going to put that into the X0 pin, because X0 run is the I'm connected to the switch. After then from X0 to after connecting the switch, then after that one configuring the switch for each one to separately. Here you can see that after then I have to put the switch configuration. For the switch configuration, I am putting first one as the lectures, second one as the second one as the students. Likewise, but in the switch, the first one is not working. Because of that, from the second, I'm going to configure each by each using putty. Here you can see the switch configurations that is done by me. So from here I'm configuring the switch for the each port for each devices. After then checking the connectivity via ping. For here for the before the connecting the ping, I have to create the for each devices connected to the switch. And after that for the each device I'm going to create the each one separate IP address for each one at the range. From that one, likewise for the each department going to have a separate laptop in here. So from here separate from the each one already configuring the after the configuring, I'm going to create the roles in the after putting the each role in the system. From there are over 16 rules. For 16 rules for 60 rules, like from lectures to students, lectures to the and then for the in here for the each one is connected to the X0 for because that one is connect from the switch. So because of that we have to put the IP DHCP range inside the each one. So that is done inside the here you can see DHCP server is there. From a DHCP server is from a DHCP server access, we can create the each one DHCP range, but from that one we can create one. And well as for the printer, we have to create a static IP for that one. You can create the static IP address, or we can block the separate IP address from the in the rule making area. But from for that one is done by the static IP creation as a separate one, that IP inside the lectures. And after that one I'm doing the I'm doing the role making a separate IP that are blocking the other users as well. From both these can we can create the students. We can block the students from accessing the lecturer's printer, and we can put the printer inside the lecturer's domain IP range as well. So, and well as for the DMZ,
මේ කලින් අහපු කමාන්ඩ් ඇති බා
බෑ බෑ රුඩින් ගන්නවා කියනවා.
ඒක ඒ තැන ටික කපලා දාන්න. අපි හිතරවට ගන්න විතරයි. මේ ලෙක්චර් නේ. මේක නම් කාට හරි කීයක් හරි දීලා එඩිට් කරන්න වෙනවා.
ඕනනම් එකයි දෙකම කීයද? 2.1 කියන්නේ මේකම මේ මොකද්ද?
ඔය ලෙක්චර්ස් දෙක
2.1
හරිද? ඊට පස්සේ
5.1
නන් එකට මික් දැම්මේ නෑ.
ඔය මුළු දින ඔක්කොම පින් කරන්න ඕනේ නෑ බෑ. අරගේ රෝල් ටික හැදෙන්න.
හතරද? For the DMZ, we are going to connect to the X3 port, and from the X3 port, we are going to put the configurations for the in the SonicWall for the DMZ as in X3 and connect it to the system, and we are going to connect it to the separate laptop, and we are going to put, make it on power on time every time, and well as the screen also not on sleep. So when the screen also active, and for that, then that's the when the service online. When the service online, we can ping to the DMZ as well. From the DMZ, we are putting 10.1.50.254 IP address for the DMZ. From that one is connect to the X3 port in the SonicWall. Then we are that one is can be accessed. Earlier I created the rules in the system for because of that all the things can be done in here as well. So for as well as if the one side is one side communication is there's only one side communication, we have to block the other side communication. So that one also created in the configurations as well. So likewise, all the after config done, the DMZ also configuration is done. Ping is okay. For the DMZ, we are going to connect to the X3 port, and from the X3 port, we are going to put the configurations for the in the SonicWall for the DMZ as in X3 and connect it to the system, and we are going to connect it to the separate laptop, and we are going to put, make it on power on time every time, and well as the screen also not on sleep. So when the screen also active, and for that, then that's the when the service online. When the service online, we can ping to the DMZ as well. From the DMZ, we are putting 10.1.50.254 IP address for the DMZ. From that one is connect to the X3 port in the SonicWall. Then we are that one is can be accessed. Earlier I created the rules in the system for because of that all the things can be done in here as well. So for as well as if the one side is one side communication is there's only one side communication, we have to block the other side communication. So that one also created in the configurations as well. So likewise, all the after done, the DMZ also configuration is done. Ping is okay. After then, when creating the rule for the printer, we can create a location as lecturers, and there's a sub area that we can put there's a called address. For that one, I'm going to put the address of the printer is connected to the laptop as well as the from the switch configuration. From that one, I'm going to put the uh, IP of the printer on that laptop, and I'm going to block that one is in here in the rules as well. Rules, we can put the lectures, and the address list, we can put the address of the that needed printer IP address. From that we can blockade, and so likewise only the students can't access the printer, all others can access the printer. Likewise, all the printer configuration is done, and that is also shown in here. And the ping, when the ping is done by the students, it shows the unreachable, all other can access the printer as well. So